Hey everybody, welcome back to Zach Tech Reviews. On this channel we look at tech, mobile accessories and gadgets, and we're doing another Pixel 2 XL unboxing, again in the black and white or panda or even penguin color if you want to call it that. The reason why we're back here again is there have been some reports coming out, and I'll leave the article and the information down below here in the description section, that some people that have ordered the Pixel 2 XL in December or even in January are not having the blue shift issue that I showed you on my unboxing, and the reason I returned my original Pixel 2 XL earlier, in late 2017 there. So if you recall, and I'll leave a link up here and actually down in the description as well, I returned my original Pixel 2 XL because of the blue shift issue. And it's one of the reasons why I couldn't use the phone, because it was just too bothersome. Even at the slightest angle, you could see a blue tint or a blue shift in the screen. Apparently, and according to this article here from MobileSyrup with sources from the Verge, there have been some users that have cited and said that they bought a Pixel 2 XL and it did not have the blue shift issues that some people were complaining about before. So if we scroll through the article here, you'll see this image right here. On the left, you can see a Google Pixel 2 XL with the blue shift. On the right here, a model that came out a little bit later with next to no blue shift at all. So I decided to take a chance here. I ordered a Pixel 2 XL yesterday, showed up here today, and let's see what it looks like. Now I did check the IMEI number based on the information from the video from Jerome Ortega there, and this device was manufactured on November 25th. Okay, so let's take a look here. See if we have any blue shifting issue at all. I'm not going to worry about the rest of the contents here. Let's go ahead and unwrap this. And let's fire it up and see what we get here. Yep, I can see the blue. So that's dead on. Tilt. Blue. Darn, I was really hoping that that wouldn't happen. So I'm going to RMA this one and send it back. You can see the blue right there. So even the slightest angle, that blue, really bothersome. That's too bad. Alright guys, so that's just a follow-up. That's what happened with me with ordering a Pixel 2 XL right after the reports came out that some of them don't. But again, this one has a manufacture date of November 25th. And yeah, there we are. So anyway, if you guys like the content here, please leave a thumbs up. Think about hitting that subscribe button as well, and we'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Cheers.